Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video, we do have an update to a powerful feature for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And the feature I'm talking about is the one you're looking at right now, which is known as the secure Wi-Fi feature. Now, this feature is designed to protect your phone and your sensitive data from malicious attacks and activity based on your usage case scenario. So I'm going to talk about that in a second, but real quick, let's get the update and make sure this feature is up to date and you know how to use it, because it is a powerful feature and mostly it is a free feature included with your Samsung smartphone. Okay, so I'm going to come back to that. First, let's do the update. So to update, all you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click the link, you are going to be at my website. You want to scroll down a little bit. You can read about the secure Wi-Fi right here, and then you can scroll down and you can see download is going to be right here. Here's the link you want to click. Now when you click this link, it's going to take you to the Galaxy store. Once you're at the store, here's what we have. The latest version is going to be 9.6.01.4, and this is a 20 megabyte update. And because Samsung has scattered updates, you may get this today, tomorrow, the day after. Unfortunately, that's the way it works with Samsung. I do want to show you guys, if I go to my settings in my secure Wi-Fi, before I do the update, and if I go to About Wi-Fi, you can see we are on version 9.6.01.2, but with the update, we're going to be jumped to 9.6.01.4, okay? So tap on update, and that should start the process, and make sure to check the other link down below for some great Samsung Galaxy smartphone deals. Alright, so now that it's up to date, I'm going to just kill everything. I'm going to close everything. I'm going to show you where it is. So if you want to locate this, there's two ways. One, you go to your settings, you scroll down, and you go over to security and privacy right here, and then you scroll down and you go to more security settings. Okay, tap on that, and here's a secure Wi-Fi. Tap on this guy, and here we are. Okay, so now when I look at the version, it's going to be up to date. Let's just check that real quick. Okay, so we are up to date. We have the latest version. All right, so basically what's happening here is you don't have to use this when you're in the house or when you are in a secure location. Could be your parents' house, your friend's house, maybe work, which is already going to be secure. You use this feature when you go out to a coffee shop. You use this feature when you go to the airport. So as an example, if I go to the airport and I don't use this free feature, and let's say I go to my finance folder and I log into one of my financial applications, what's going to happen is, as I'm logged into my financial information, because I am on an unsecure public Wi-Fi, all the data that is going from my phone to the Wi-Fi, the local Wi-Fi at the airport, is going to be unsecure, and somebody is going to be able to read all that information if they were a malicious actor. So it's not safe to just log into any app anywhere, okay? So what you do with this one is you tap on protect. It connects to a VPN. Now you are protected and everything is encrypted. Now when I go to my financial application and when I log in, there's not going to be any problem. The person that's on the Wi-Fi, if there's a malicious actor, all they're going to see is scrambled, encrypted information that they're not going to be able to read. So that's why this is a great feature. It is free. You don't get a lot. Okay, so you get 1024 megabytes per month, but believe it or not, for sensitive information, that is enough. So I use this specifically for finance. I'm not going to use this for social media. But if I'm going to log into my finance application, I would tap on protect. I would log in to the finance application, whatever that is. Then I log out, and then I come back and I deprotect. Okay, and then I can continue my usual browsing unprotected, no problem. If you're just browsing the web and you're not logging into secure areas, there is no problem. Now the other way to activate this, if you don't want to dig into the menu, is you can go up here and you can add it to your quick toggles. So you can see right now, I don't have it. This is not my main phone. So I'm going to tap on edit just to show you how to activate that. Tap edit on the quick toggles, and then look for secure Wi-Fi. It's going to be somewhere over here, right there. Okay, tap over here, and I can grab it and put it to the top. And look at this. Now I can do the same thing from my quick toggle. I go down over here. Here's my secure Wi-Fi. I tap it, it's active. Okay, and you can see it's right there. I do my business. I log out. Boom. Actually, you don't even have to come back here. Just come here, tap, it's deactive. Okay, so that's the secure Wi-Fi. And if you want, if you travel a lot, okay, and if you want a VPN service that is more comprehensive, meaning it gives you more data, you can tap on the protection plan, and you can actually upgrade. It's not that expensive. For 1 month, it's $2. If you are at a hotel for 24 hours doing sensitive stuff, you can also do 24-hour unlimited for $1. So it's either pay as you go or as a monthly subscription. Alrighty, but that's up to you. Don't do it for no reason. Do it when you need it. Right now, you have the free protection, and it's going to tell you how much is left. So in my case, I didn't use anything so far, so I can use this whole thing. Alrighty? Just make sure you turn this off before you watch a video. You do not want to encrypt watching a YouTube video on this. It's just going to eat that data out immediately. Alright? That's it, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.